Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the Can-Am Spyder F3 models. This is going to be our Deluxe Passenger Armrest, which comes complete with all items needed for the install and mounts securely to the side of the passenger grab rails. This product also allows you to adjust how much tension you would like for the swing out on your passenger armrest. It also will match very nicely to the seat as well as to the Smart Mount backrest also offered by Showchrome Accessories. If you have any further questions in this product line, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.